How you can make money on YouTube with AI influencers full tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and stumbling upon an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and never gets tired of creating content. Dive into the world of AI influencers where virtual personalities are redefining the rules of social media marketing and racking in cash like never before. This is the power of AI influencer. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to do the voiceover, and you don't have to write the script. So a lot of influencers, as you can see, earns millions of dollars. For example, this one here we have over 300k of followers, and it's powered by AI. That means it's an AI influencer. That means it doesn't exist. And as you can see here, we have a lot of pictures and a lot of likes, a lot of comments, because a lot of free people follow her. So for example, she can promote products, and she can get or earn money. So you can create yours and then you will start earning your money. In this video, I show you how to create one and how to earn money with it. So first step, you need to start your video on YouTube using AI influencer is creating your AI character. But don't worry, you don't have to create it because we have here hygiene.com. As you can see, it's an AI based tool that can be utilized to generate AI characters. So all you have to do is open your web browser and type hygiene.com. As you can see here, we have two options to get started. So you can click which one you want, then you can sign up by entering your email and the verification code. As you can see here, we have a lot of information that you can read to more understand how website works. Here we have use cases, features, resources, company, pricing, and if we scroll down over here, you will find a lot of video of AI avatar or of AI influencer that can explain, and this is the script as you can see. And here we have a lot of videos that you can watch to more understand how the website works. So here we have AI avatar. As you can see here, we have various ones, so you can choose the one you want or the one suits you more, and then you will start as a video or as a YouTuber that have AI influencer. So to get started, you can just, as I mentioned, click over here and following the step that I mentioned, then you will enter in your email, as I said, the verification code, you will answer for a few questions, and then it will lead you to this homepage. As you can see, here is my recent creations, and this is the hygiene learning guide. Here we have the AI studio, and if you want to learn more information about it, you can just click over here. The same thing for video avatar and AI voice, video translation. If we scroll down over here, you will find a various template that you can start with. So as you can see, there's a lot of AI avatar explaining various topics, so you can just click which one you want, or you can create your own video by clicking one of these avatars, or you can dive into video avatar to choose the avatar you want on the studio avatar. So let's click over here. As you can see, various AI avatar will appear, so you can choose the one suits you more. Let's for example select that one. As you can see, the way in t-shirt. So this three dot is if you want to edit avatar or if you want to get avatar ID, and then you will have here this icon. Click on it to create video. So let's click to create our video and click on the landscape to start with a video on YouTube. As you can see, a lot of options appear. So here we have template avatar, so you can also change the avatar if you didn't like, and then you can also change the place of the AI character if you want it on the left or on the on the right or on the middle, and also if you want zoom it too. So here we have the animation if you want to add an effect on enter, effect on leave, and also here we have the script if you want to add the script, so you can just delete that one and then so you can delete that one and then you will add it yours. So if you finish your script then you can add it another one, and if you wanna add it pause between these two script, you can add it 3 seconds for example, or less, or maybe more. So it's depend on your script. And if you find some difficulties on writing a script, you can just ask for help by clicking here GPT script writer, and then you will send a message on for example what do you want about what is your topic about, and then you will or the GPT script writer will create one, and then you will edit it here. And if you want to also translate it, you can translate it to a specific language. Here we have the voices, so you can choose the voice that you want. It's depend on your content, so you can just choose the natural voice or explainer voice, ads voice, audiobooks voice, e-learning voice, narration voice, games. If you want to also languages, so you can choose the language of your voice. And if you want to select your gender if you want a male or female, and also the age if you want a child voice, youth voice, middle age voice, older voice, and the function too if you want a pausing supported, or if you want your voice adjustable speed, adjustable pitch. So it depends on what you want. So this is all these options can help you to get your video ready, and after that you can click on submit, and then you will make your video ready to publish it on your YouTube channel. So there is a various way that you can start with it to earn money. So you can, for example, start as an affiliate marketing through platforms like impact.com offers affiliates to flexibility in terms of how they promote products or services, allowing them to work independently. So by promoting products or services through affiliate partnerships, affiliates can earn commissions on sales generated through their referral links, or you can just create a video guide using an AI influencer can be an engaging and innovative way to educate your audience by starting on defining your topic. So you can choose a specific topic that you want to create a video guide about. This could be anything from an introduction to artificial intelligence to a deep dive into a specific AI application or technology. And then you will start scripting, so you can write a script for your video guide, or you can use ChatGPT to help you, including explanation, examples, and any demonstration you plan to include. Make sure the language is clear and conscious, suitable for both your target audience and AI influencer. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.